Hi guys, Nikki Lindsay here, back with another video, and today I am bringing you this eyeshadow tutorial using the new Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows. I did buy palette number 3 and palette number 7. Number 3 is deep neutrals, number 7 is called Cadet. So let's get into the breakdown of the breakdown. These palettes cost $25 each, but if you buy 2, they will be $45 each. So the palettes at first glance, they are very small. They're like pocket friendly palettes, which is actually very nice because when you're traveling, they'll be easy to travel. It won't be too bulky. So they're called Snap Shadows because they two snap together on the back like that, so that you'll have your two palettes together, which is very cute. That's real cute. So there you go. So like I said, I got number 3, which is deep neutrals, and then I got number 7, which is called Cadet. Number 7 kind of reminds me of the Anastasia Subculture palette with this nice mustard, cool tone colors. And then deep neutrals has like this pretty orange shade, this reddish, brownish shade, bomb colors. Yeah, so 2 for $45. Honestly, it's a good deal. So if you want to see how I used these Snap Shadow palettes, then just keep on watching. Guys, so this is the final look using the Fenty Snap Shadows in palette number 3 and 7. My final thoughts. I didn't do my look on a white base. I did it on a concealer base, which kind of matched my skin tone, which, you know, is okay. So the colors are pretty pigmented. Everyone, I was looking at reviews, people said theirs didn't have fallout, but mine's had a little bit of kickback when I pressed my brush in it, but it's all good. The colors are very, very pigmented. What surprised me is this white gold color right here in number 7 Cadet. This one right here, that one really surprised me because it turned out like this, like a go man, like. But the Fenty shadows are very good for beginners who are just starting out with eyeshadow because it's not too many colors. You won't get so overwhelmed. I know a lot of people said that there's nothing very special about these palettes. They're very ordinary, very basic. I can kind of see where you're coming from, but if you're someone who travels a lot, and me and my fiance are always traveling, so these will be really good if you travel. They won't take up too much space. 2 for $45, which is a good deal as well. So it's like a little bundle pack, but it's a good idea. They're very pigmented, very more pigmented than her Moroccan Spice palette. Honestly, I didn't buy that shadow because I saw so many reviews on that palette where the colors are muddy. These colors blended out really, really nice. No muddy, no nothing. Yeah, very pigmented though. It is very small, literally fits in the palm of my hand, but like I said, that's okay. You can put this in your makeup bag and go, which is very, very smart. Rihanna is always looking out for convenience in travels because all her products snap together, magnetized together, are very small. So overall, go get you these Fenty palettes if you have not already. Like I said, I have the shades palettes number 3 in deep neutrals and number 7 in cadet. Came up with this look. If you want to see me do another look using different snap shadows, then please let me know down below. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would very much appreciate you. Welcome you to the family because we be dropping gems over here. So, and this is the first video of 2020, like, oh my god. But yeah guys, until next video, bye.